Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with the 3-minute daily dose of Torah. We're looking today at the beginning of chapter 12, where God announces HaChodesh Hazeh Lachem Rosh Chodashim. This month is for you, Rosh Chodashim. The Ramban here notes that the head of the month is Tishrei. It's the Tekufat Hashanah. It is considered to be the turning point of the year, and if that's the case, then why is Nisan? Well, why is this month, the month of Nisan, defined as the head of the month? Right? Why should that be the case? That it runs counter, and the answer is that we are meant to count our time based on the events of redemption. That's how we identify our time, not necessarily. For some things we will, based on whatever seasonal change that apparently is identified by the Tekufat Hashanah of the September-ish time. But otherwise, we count our time based on redemption, and that's why it's the first month of redemption. We don't have names for the months. Verify that in the Torah. No names for the months. It's just we're counting from the block of time in which we were redeemed, and so it's the first month of the redemption, the second, the third, until you get to the 12th. And this year, by the way, is a Jewish leap year, so there are 13 months, and then we're back to the cycle again. So the Ramban says that's the same thing about Shabbos. Shabbos is counted that way too, where in the days of the week, Yom Rishon, Yom Sheni, Yom Shlishi, they're just simply day 1, day 2 from Shabbos or counting towards Shabbos. They don't have their own names. So where do the names come from? The Ramban says the names came from Bavel, Persian names actually, but otherwise we brought from Bavel. And he says it's not. This is really important. It's not that this is how it happens. We spent more time in Galut and in exile, and we schlep around their pagan names for months. Look how we've deteriorated in our beliefs. Rather, says the Ramban, what we really do is we've made an additional statement about counting from redemption. We left Bavel. It's not about what we did in Bavel, but it's about leaving Bavel, leaving Babylonia, and so we are counting and thinking about. We carry those names he suggests to now have the additional recollection of the fact that we were redeemed from a place when these were the names. So it somehow still carries it's the same thing that we have about counting from the redemption from Egypt. We've now added in, as it were, the redemption from Babylonia as well. Hope this was an intriguing thought. Have a great day.